Good morning, everybody. Welcome to week 28. Don't know why it says week 27 on your agenda, but I'll fix that. Sorry I'm not there today. I have a dentist appointment in like a half hour, so that's why I'm not there. But I want to quickly talk about what we're doing this week. I know there's been plenty of questions as to what the assignment is going to be. This week, we are going to be redesigning the reusable water bottle. So I've got the challenge for you. I've got a couple links for you to check out, and then I've got the turn-in location posted. Just check out this assignment sheet or a water bottle challenge sheet. It's going to go over all the parts you need, what needs to be turned in, and what I expect of you. I do have a link down here that goes over some really cool designs people have made. They're back from 2015, but it might be a good idea for you to check them out so that you can see that you're not stuck to the conventional reusable water bottle. Like, I want you to be creative. I want you to come up with your own idea. If you use parts from another, that's not a big deal. But that is what we're going to be working on this week. Obviously, if you have questions, since I'm not there today, I expect you to. You can either hop on my online Zoom this afternoon, or you can ask them of me next class. It's up to you. But I will see you guys later and hope you have a good rest of the day. Be good for the sub.